Good afternoon, I'm Andrea Manis and this is Andrea's Anaheim. Today we're at Rumble and Rock on the Party Block. And this is a summer event. It's going to be wonderful. It goes on for most of the summer. I've got Devin Reeves with me. She not only has been helping organize this event, but she's also responsible for a band of her own. She's going to tell us a little bit about what's happening tonight and what we can look forward to in the summer. Devin, tell us about Rumble and Rock.
Alright, well, Rumble and Rock is a motorcycle classic car event, and we have raffles, and we have food, and we have a beer and wine garden, and the live bands are really great tonight. We have Michael Forbes Explosion.
And Michael Forbes Explosion is
He's a classic rock band. He has his saxophone and flute. And then also my band's going to be playing tonight. We're the Devin Reeves Band, and we do classic rock and blues.
Now, how often are the Rumble and Rock on the Party Block held?
They're the third Friday of every month. Then they end in October.
Now I understand that the performance today and the activities that are going on here is a benefit performance, excuse me. And who benefits from this? Who gets the proceeds?
The proceeds today go to RIP's Bad Ride, which is Bikers Against Diabetes, and the rest of the series, the proceeds from the raffle, partial proceeds will go to One Breath Foundation, which is an organization that helps people who have transplants.
We thank you for letting us know about Rumble and Rock.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.
1, 2, 3.